If you are learning English, there is one verb you must learn first. Not have, not do, not can. The verb to be. This verb is in every English sentence, every conversation, every day. And by the end of this video, you will understand it completely. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Power Daily. I'm so happy you are here today. My name is Chris, and today we are going to learn the most important verb in English, the verb to be. Let's start. So, what is the verb to be? The verb to be is a special verb in English. We use it to talk about who we are, I am a teacher, how we feel, she is happy, where we are at school, what something is, this is a book. Very simple, very useful. Now, here is the most important thing to remember. The verb to be has three forms in the present tense: am, is, are. Let me show you exactly when to use each one. Number 1, I am. We use am with the word I, only I. Listen. I am a student. I am from England. I am happy today. Simple, right? Number 2, is. We use is with he, she, it. One person or one thing. Listen. He is my teacher. She is beautiful. It is a cat. Number 3, are. We use are with you, we, they. More than one, or when I talk to someone. Listen. You are my friend. We are in class. They are happy. Let me ask you a question. Look at this sentence. A doctor. What word goes in the blank? He. So we use is. He is a doctor. Perfect. Okay, let's continue. Now, let me give you some real-life sentences. These are sentences you can use every day. In the morning. Good morning. I am ready for today. The weather is beautiful today. My friends are at school. Talking about yourself. I am 25 years old. I am from England. I am an English learner, and I am getting better every day. Talking about other people. My mother is kind. My brothers are tall. My teacher is very helpful. These sentences are easy, and they are real. You can use them today, right now. Practice them. Say them out loud. That is how you get better. Now, let me show you something very important. How do we make a negative sentence with to be? Very easy. We just add not. I am not tired. I'm not tired. She is not a doctor. She's not a doctor. We are not late. We're not late. Now, in speaking, we use short forms. We call them contractions. Listen. Am not equals I'm not. There is no amn't, just I'm not. Is not equals isn't. He isn't here. Are not equals art. They aren't ready. Short and natural. Repeat after me. I'm not tired. She isn't late. They aren't here. Great job.
One more thing, and this is very useful. How do we ask a question with to be? Very simple. We move the verb to the front, like this. She is happy. Is she happy? You are a student. Are you a student? I am late. Am I late? Let me give you some everyday questions. Are you okay? Is she your sister? Are they your friends? Is this your book? Am I in the right place? These questions, you hear them every day. Now you understand how they work.
Now it's your turn. Write a sentence in the comments below using am, is, or are. Tell me, who are you? Where are you from? How are you feeling today? For example, I will start. I am a teacher. I am from England. I am very happy today. Now you try. Write your sentence below. I will read it. You did great today. Remember, learning English takes time, but every day you are getting better. The verb to be is your first step, and you just took it. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really helps this channel grow. And subscribe to the English Power Daily so you never miss a new lesson. Next video, we will learn how to use the verb to be in the past, was and were. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking. Goodbye for now, and keep your English power strong.